Hi, and welcome to another episode of Demystifying Medicine. On today's episode, we will cover cystic fibrosis. We will be discussing the basic biological principles of cystic fibrosis, the organs affected, and the various treatment options for this disease. So what do you, a panda, or a neighbor's pet have in common? You're all made up of cells. The cells can be thought of as the subunit of life. Inside these cells are a set of instructions called DNA. DNA is made up of the bases adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. You can think of these bases as instructions that code for genes in your body. For example, the DNA contains instructions for traits such as hair type, eye color, and height. When a nucleotide base is added, removed, or substituted, it is known as mutation. These mutations can change the DNA code, which may affect the traits that are expressed in your body. Now that we know the fundamental genetic makeup of our body, let's move to the next big question. What is cystic fibrosis? Cystic fibrosis is a disorder caused by mutation in the cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulatory gene, known as CFTR for short. This mutation occurs on chromosome 7. This disease is an autosomal recessive disorder, which means that the disease is inherited when a child inherits a defective copy of the gene from both parents who are carriers of the gene. A carrier is an individual who has a defective copy and a normal copy of a gene, and is unaffected themselves. The CFTR gene codes for the CFTR protein, which is an important chloride channel. The purpose of this channel is to pump ions in and out of the cell. The symptoms and associated complications of cystic fibrosis are caused by the dysfunctional CFTR protein channel, which is found throughout the gastrointestinal tract. Affected individuals have elevated sweat electrolyte levels, pancreatic insufficiencies, and lung infections. These signs are observed in most patients, but not all, since severity of the disease can range widely amongst individuals. In Canada, 1 in 3,600 are born with this disease. Studies have shown that cystic fibrosis is more frequent in European Caucasian populations than in any other population around the world. In addition, in the mid-1900s, the median survival age of individuals with this disease was 8 years, but today the median survival